Hello again, deformed car collectors. These are really small ones, by the way. They're Choro-Qs, but they're Chibikkos, so they're smaller than your standard size Choro-Q. So today we're going to start with the Mazda MX5 NC, the third generation one. This is casting number 36. So there's other colors of this casting. They all say number 36. I don't know what those colors are, though. Let's see, how old is this thing? 2008, I think, or 6? It's 2006, how old this thing is. So it has rubber tires. These are all pullback toys, and they actually go pretty fast. You can actually put a coin back here. That's why this silly rectangle is here, and it does a wheelie, but I don't play with these. The taillights are pretty nicely printed. Very cool. The whole body is this clear plastic, and then they just paint everything. It's very gappy because it is a functional toy. You have some truncated seat headrests here, and the roll bar kind of thing, and the tonneau is black. There's actually a third brake light bump there. That's interesting. There's also an antenna stub, and then the fuel fillers here, and then those little, I forget what those are. They had no purpose. Oh, probably when you put the hard top on, the optional hard top. Those are mounting points, I bet. I never had the hard top. Let's see here. Yeah, black paint, really fine texture in here, black paint, very nice, and then the Mazda logo looks good. The headlights, though, I think are just printed on black. I don't know if that's raw plastic or not. You know what, let's find out. Usually they are. Oh, maybe they are, because the light's coming through. Yeah, so it's just a really darkly smoked body. And then it's got these kind of standard ChoroQ Chibikko wheels, and yeah, that's it. Alright. So I bought these all locally. I bought this one just thinking it was a made-up racing livery. But if you look at the photograph, this actually is a real Subaru 360 livery for the SS. Interesting. Alright, this one has the 5-spoke Chibikko wheels. It's glossy white, no metallic. There's a little silver here for the window trim. And then, yeah, the main thing is the fact that it says SS. It's got the racing stripes. Clear headlights, same as the windshield. A little orange here. There's a little groove here for the inlet. That's a pop-up vent, I imagine. This side here, I think that's the door handle. This has suicide doors, I believe, this 360. Taillights are painted red. This is casting number 19. And then you have some racing stripe stuff here on the roof as well. So it looks pretty good. The bumpers are painted silver. Yeah, very good. The last one is the first generation MR2, the AW11, and it actually did come in this dark blue color. How old is this one? I think it says 2004. If you're curious about this particular livery, 2007. Okay, standard construction on all three. Screw in the front, tab in the back. This one's got those wheels as the first one, and this is a nice metallic dark blue. And then we have some orange for the turn signals. Toyota looks pretty good. And then, I don't know if that's just the clear plastic. It probably is for the vents. Alright, there's a little dimple for the badge, but no paint. And then the contaminant dimple. Alright, T-tops, yeah, very clear. The engine cover, nice rib details. And then, decently printed taillights, better than I can do. So this is casting number 25, and the wing actually is passing air, so that's kind of nice. Yeah, I just like the little details in something this small. Right? It's probably like a little over an inch, or maybe 30 millimeters if I had to guess. Alright, let's whip out some other Chibikkos. So I actually do have the Subaru 360 just in a normal livery. This is from some sort of Always collection, which is generally a bunch of classic vehicles. So that's what it looks like. Then I have a classic Toyota S Sports 800, I think it is. What is this? This is casting number 18. So keeping the classics. Another classic racer is this Honda S800, casting number 12. And then here, well, it doesn't say what it is, but it's a Suzuki Cappuccino, so a little two-seater runabout. And another one is this Daihatsu Copen, casting number 31. from 2005. So all Chibikkos, they don't care about scale because they're all trying to fit these spring motors. So they all use the same size wheels, same size tires, and have the same wheelbase. So definitely not a scale thing, but I mean, they're deformed. They're cartoon cars, so that doesn't really bother me at all. Alright, let's get these guys out and let these three spin on their own. So you just gotta remember, they're really small, so I think they have a lot of good detail. If you want to collect something really small and you kind of like cars and you like cartoons, these might be right up your alley. And I will try to find some more, so I'll see you when that happens. Thanks for watching.